Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix VRChat crashes on PC. So if your VRChat game is crashes continuously, then you can follow this method. You have to simply click on the ESC button on your keyboard. Now from here you can simply click on this settings button here. Now from here, sorry, not for that, you have to click on your profile icon here, and here you can find the gear icon. You have to simply click on this gear icon to get into the settings, where you can find the graphics settings. So make sure that your right now your graphics settings is compatible with your components on the configs on your PC. So if you have low configuration on your PC, or the hardware is actually low config, then you should downgrade or lower the quality of quality presets. So like low, you can try the medium first and see if it crashes again, or if it's cool. If you are perfect with that, then you can go with this medium presets, or you can try the low one. So right now I'm using the high graphics from here. Now at the very bottom you can find, let me show you. From here you can go to settings, and at the very bottom you can find the debug option here, where you can find the content cache here. So you have to simply click on clear content cache. Sometimes if the content cache reach the limit, or if it is actually stored the more content cache, then it can actually make your game laggy and buggy, and it can be a cause for the crashing on your PC. So you can simply click on clear content cache, then you can simply clear content cache and simply click on yes. And after clearing the content cache, you have to exit from the game here, or otherwise here is another one, like you can right click on your taskbar and go to task manager, and from here you can find the VRChat that currently running. Now you can right click on it and simply click on end task, and it will just remove your it will just close your VRChat from your device. And make sure that in your background there is not so much app are running. If there is so much app running on your background, then close it immediately, like heavy application like Discord or any other application like anything. So you can close that, or also make sure that you have closed the Steam client here. So you have to close the Steam client, and then you have to re-enter to your VRChat application or VRChat game, then see if the problem is solved or not. So that's pretty much simply all the fixes for you. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.